A frozen GMC Sierra Infotainment update can lock you out of your radio and cameras. To fix this and manually push the over-the-air update, you must force a module reboot using the steering wheel controls or top off your truck's battery voltage. For trucks built after 2022 with the Google built-in system, the fastest fix is a forced steering wheel reboot. Put your truck in park with the engine running. Press and hold the phone hang-up button on your steering wheel for 15 seconds. The center screen will go completely black. Release the button and let the system reboot. This clears the temporary memory and gets you back to the home screen. If the steering wheel trick fails, you need a full module power down. Turn the truck off, open the driver's door, and leave it open for 5 minutes. This forces all internal computer modules to go to sleep and cuts power to the radio. Close the door and restart the engine. Often, an over-the-air update gets stuck in the background because of a low battery. The software refuses to install updates if your 12-volt battery drops below 70% charge. Hook your truck up to a battery charger to top it off. Let it sit undisturbed for a few hours so the battery sensor can recalibrate. Once your screen is awake and the battery is fully charged, manually push the software package. Go to Settings on your display, tap System, and select Vehicle Software. Tap on Updates to force the truck to pull the pending file over a Wi-Fi connection.